working in this place. No complaints. I love it. Serves me well. It's just I don't know, meh, you know? I don't like it. So I'm gonna fix that. So this is day one of the journey to sprucing up the work area, creative space slash Nate's slash Nathaniel slash BeeNeh. You know what I'm saying. Also, another thing new in life, out the elephant in the room. So no big deal. Oh, it's cold. One thing I've noticed is that if you take a sandpaper and you sand it, because it's I forgot what the material is called. So I use the sandpaper and I kind of get it a little bit closer to the line if it needs to be. This is awful stuff. And so it's so time consuming for some reason. I'm really digging how this place is looking. It's a lot more work than I thought, but I'd rather do it right from the beginning than like have, you know, to deal with it afterwards. Yesterday I tested out the primer. It's working out pretty good. Today the plan is to finish the rest of the cabinets, spraying with primer, let that dry, then work on the window. I'm planning on doing some casings around it. I took the time to clean up everything, get ready for the bench that I wanted to make. I figured you guys didn't want to see that. Nah, you guys don't want to see it. Or maybe you guys do. I don't know. I care more about functionality. Therefore, my bench is going to be just functional. So, luckily for me, I'm using lumber that I have on hand. The benefit of that, it's free. Now, you might be asking, okay, that's not fair. Best thing I've noticed is to find very affordable lumber is go to Lowe's or Home Depot and look at their severely discounted lumber. They're usually twisted, just awful. And if you are able to find 8 feet, you're able to cut that off and very minimize the twist. It doesn't need to be pretty if you just care for functionality. In my case, I only care about functionality. So that's the video. That is the transformation of my little workplace slash creative space where I just get to hang out and just make stuff, and it's just so awesome how everything turned out. It was a place where it was good, but it could have been better, and that's what I did. I made it better. Well, I hope. The bench turned out great. It's functional. It's a bench. It's space. Someone asked me why didn't I make them out of 2x4s, and I said, you know what, I could have, but if anything breaks on it, the top gets too scratched up, too dinged up, I just replace the top, unscrew the screws, and that's it. I don't care for looks, I just care for functionality. And because my space is a little bit smaller than I would like, I gotta be a little bit more smarter with what I do and, you know, what I have. And that's the beauty of it. You know, I'm limited to space, I'm limited to tools, but I'm making it work. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, be BeeNeh.